Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering Neco 2019 Office Practice Past Question, question 41. The following are services rendered by Nipost except A. Fax, B. Telegraph, C. Telephone, D. Teleprinter, and E. Telex. So I pick an option which is not a service is rendered by Nipost. Now, what is Nipost? The full meaning of Nipost is Nigeria Postal Service. Nigeria Postal Service. This is the full meaning of Nipost, and this Nipost is an extra ministerial department in Nigeria. It's an extra ministerial department under the Ministry of Communication. So we refer to it as an extra ministerial department in Nigeria under the Ministry of Communication. So this Nipost is just simply a department that deals with with the exchange, transfer of communication all over Nigeria. Now, Nipost aims to provide efficient postal service to the nation. So its major aim is to provide efficient postal services to the nation. Now, like we know, Nipost helps to promote the exchange of correspondence. Now, it said the main aim is to provide efficient postal services to the nation. Now, these postal services are in form of they are written communications. So, in other words, we can say that Nipost helps to it helps in efficient transfer, efficient exchange of written communications in Nigeria, like letter, your postage, your different things that you send, your every written communications. So that is the aim of Nipost. Now the question says the following services are rendered by Nipost except, that is this an option here which is not part of the services rendered by Nipost. Now A here says fax. Fax is correct because it's a written communication. B says telegraph. Telegraph is correct because it's a written communication, that is part of the services rendered by Nipost. Now this is teleprinter, it's also written communication, and E-telex is also written communication. But option C here says telephone. Now telephone is not a form of written communication. Telephone is an audio communication, that is an audio method of exchange of information, and it is not a service rendered by Nipost. So therefore, to answer to this question is option C, telephone. Nipost, as an extra ministerial department in Nigeria, helps in the exchange, in the transfer of written communications, that is postal services, and telephone here is an audio method of communication. So therefore, it is not part of the services rendered by Nipost, and therefore the answer to this question is option C, telephone. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos.